AI tools are just getting insane. So let's dive into the best AI tools right now. I don't think AI is gonna replace us anytime soon, but it will improve the work efficiency that we have so we can work better and faster. So speaking of these, the first AI tool is Autopod, and it's incredible for editing because it saves you so much time on cutting every single thing that people say, and it even lets you edit on multicam. So if you have a podcast, you have to have Autopod on your editing. And they also have cutting, so you can repurpose the podcast for shorts, reels, TikTok, whatever you need. The second tool, if you are not living under a rock, I think you already know it. It's ChatGPT, and it's a game changer for writing scripts, having ideas, and everything else you need to when it comes down to writing. But with ChatGPT, the main thing you have to look at is prompting, is how you write a better prompt so it gives you a better answer. And you have prompt stacks, you have websites that are whole communities around writing better prompts so you can have the better answers that the AI can generate you. Tool number 3 is vidIQ, and it helps you analyze your channel, it helps you analyze other channels on YouTube, and it helps a lot on the research side of the YouTube channel. And now they have a AI summary as well, so you can write better descriptions for your video and better titles as well. So it's really good, and the tool is amazing. They have a lot of things, they add a lot on the sidebar. So you have daily video ideas, competitors analysis. So you have vidIQ Academy, where they teach you a lot about YouTube and a lot more amazing things inside this app as well. So Lumen 5 is an AI that can generate video from photos or from text, and that's amazing for creating B-roll for your videos. Like, take a look at this B-roll that is on screen right now. It is created by Lumen, so it helps you a lot with B-roll that you can't find anywhere else, and you can generate from AI, from a photo, from some text, or from some idea that you have. So the next tool is Descript, and it helps you with transcribing your videos, and then you can edit your videos from the text. It's really something because you can go in there and take out the whole phrase, and it will automatically edit your video with the text that you just edited. And the app is really good to creating captions as well. If you create content for YouTube, you know how important titles are. Titles and thumbnails are the first thing your viewers see, and it will tell them if they are going to click or not on your video. So the next tool is CoSchedule. It's a headline analyzer that helps you determine if your titles are effective for your video. And it's really good for helping you out on the beginning when you don't know what's a good title, what's a good thumbnail, and how to make an effective title so people will click on your video. And the last tool is BuzzSumo, a tool to help you create content ideas. It's a tool to have more insight on what people in your niche want and what other content creators are talking about that is really blowing up. So it's really good for you to plan your strategy for the future. So you can use it to have more inspiration on what you will create, or to know pain points that your audience have that they are not being solved yet. This can attract and engage more viewers for your channel. If you need some content ideas, here are 22 video ideas for your channel to blow up. Thanks. See you on the next one.